Okay, y'all, it's Nancy again. I am so tickled. In the last video, What the Heck Does Explode Do? I talked about how you could explode a polygon. And, like, what would be the point of that? I don't get the point of that. What was the point? However, I knew that if I figured it out, and, you know, I figured it out. I'm so excited. I figured out what you can do with it. All right, let me just show you something. If I draw a polygon, and let me just say this, it also works for the shape tool that's just above it, that squiggly thing. Well, I need to, there, okay. See that, it also works for this. I can explode that. See, watch. Gotta I'm consistent. When I make these little huffing sounds, it's not because of the software, it's because I'm so stupid. Okay, it's like why can't I remember these things when I'm trying to show you guys? But anyway, okay, it will also let you explode, but you come up with the same results. It takes away the filling, and it's like, okay, now what? However, let me do it with the shape just so I can show you what I'm talking about and why I got so excited. Delete, trash. Okay, draw. Now let me just, one of the things about this is all the different shapes you can draw. Just add sides to different things. Like a star, you can have as many star shapes as you want. I mean, as many points or sides as you want. Or this little thing, as many sides as you want. You can have a circle, and you can have a square. See, I was only thinking square when I did it, but just remember all those special shapes that you can use, okay? All right, so I'm going to draw this rectangle, and I'm going to explode it. Now, let me just show you this. Let me select it. Again, let me select it so you can see what I'm talking about. All right. Do the gear. Now, let me explain something. If you're like me, the first thing you do when you come to this gear menu or selection menu is go directly to the thing that you're looking for. All right. You know that you're wanting to move something to the front, so you scroll real fast to it. But if you go back up to the top, something you may miss is always, I use this constantly, how many items are selected, because so many times things happen and you select more than one item, and that affects many more things. So I pay attention to this. I leave this pinned so that this is pretty much always open for me personally. But look at the very top. It says shape properties. All right, and if you open that up, you can see that you've got the shape properties. Okay, but watch what happens when you do the explode to it. It's selected, and if I do explode, okay, and now all I've got is the outline. It's no longer a polygon or shape. So I scroll back up, and look what it is now. It is now handwriting, which is what I use to make the glow. And yesterday I was really frustrated because I wanted to have a square glow, but I knew that there was no way I was going to do a good job creating a good straight square. Now I know all about the ruler and using it, but I haven't mastered that yet. And when I'm showing stuff, I'm not going to show you how bad I'm at something. But I know there's ways to do straight lines and get them like you want them, but I just am not great at it. So I just pretend it doesn't exist until I know what to do with it. Okay, so now we know that this little thing is handwriting. And now, you know, you can double tap your eraser and now you can erase parts of it or whatever. But now I can create the glow that I had on the word. And let me just show you what I did with it. Bam! I made a star that glows and I made the frame that glows. Okay? That's what you would do with an exploded polygon and or shape. Okay? That's all. Y'all have a great day.